We got ourselves a nest. I think these are bald-faced wasps. That's not good. So let's see if we can spray that and get rid of them. I have a can of this wasp hornet killer. That should do the job. Sprays up to 20 feet. Long pants, long sleeves, escape route, just in case. So we're going to give it a go. Oh, it doesn't reach. It's barely reaching. So far, not good. Not good. They're ignoring me. Alright, that's not good. Now it's foamy. Okay. Okay. I didn't think this all the way through. Well, maybe the foaming action means it's working. Well, we're gonna have to hose some stuff off. Oh, they're not happy. The foam has closed off the opening to the nest. Okay, now the opening is free. So, right. I have another can. Let's go get the other can. We're back with the other can. Here we go. Is this supposed to foam? It's like the Stay Puft Man just totally melted on my deck. Okay, this was not... I'm not calling this success. Sorry for the lack of focus. I'm trying to keep like real eyes on the hornets, and I think they are bald-faced wasps, bald-faced hornets. They are black and white, not traditional yellow and black. So from what I'm told, the spray will eventually make the nest inhabitable, I think. They don't seem to want to enter it, which is a good sign. And they won't rebuild. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this up. Now, oh yeah, I meant to move that carpet too. All right, well, we are going to let that steep. Uh, I'm actually going to consider buying another can of this. Maybe these cans that I have are actually quite old. They've been in my garage for a little while. I might buy a fresh can, one that, I don't know, does a little better maybe. For now, I'm going to let these guys suffer, and we will check them out sometime tomorrow. Yeah, see ya. Well, it's the next day. We've got some dead bald-headed, bald-faced hornets. Count about 5 that have dropped from the nest. And the nest is decidedly less busy than yesterday. No real activity. Earlier today, I did see just 1 or 2 flying in and out. Oh, see, there goes one. Right back in. So, picked up more. This one says it sprays up to 27 feet. So that's good. Shake. Sorry, making you seasick here. It's much better spray than the last one. A little messy. I'm going to get it from this angle now. All right. Come back tomorrow. One guy can't get back in. Another can. Oh wait, focus. This is drippy stuff. Foaming action is killing me. Oh, that's it, huh? They should tell you you only get a few seconds of action here. That's that. Again, you let it soak. I think tomorrow it gets the hockey stick. Okay. They're upstairs now. Hey, little nesty nest. Want to play some hockey? All right, this might not be this smart, but I'm gonna just, let's see, where does that connect to? Oh, 1B. Woohoo! What was that? Oh, I think just a fly. All right, 1. One survivor, huh? Two survivors. Okay, I think we're gonna let those suckers chill out for a bit. 3 survivors. I'm gonna let that nest chill out down there, and we will clean that up later. I got this brush. Bees are gone. The hornets. No, there's one that came back. Why'd you come back? Go away. Got him. Still another one out there. Gotta go get my No, he's dead. Clean a little bit. Still one flying around. Oh, he's inside. Crap. Flew out. Whew. kill this last guy. Now, lots of carnage. We got some dead bees that we will get rid of, and looks like a bunch more that were in the larval stage. That guy's alive. All right, go chuck this into the woods. We're all done. A couple of very confused ones up there. That's okay. The nest is gone. I think any stragglers will find a new home. If I can do it, so can you.